Thanks for joining me. If you're joining me for the very first time, I am Shelvon, the Review Chick. Today, I just wanted to show you my friend mail that I got from Big Lizzie. Now, I did this video before, but I got a new camera. My boyfriend got me a new camera for Christmas, and I try to do a couple videos, and this video got deleted. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on with that because I don't know why it did that, but I am recording it again now. So the first item that she got me was a eyeliner and shadow stick from e.l.f. Studios, and it's in the color purple and plum. Then she got me the NYC New York Color Expert Lash lipstick in creamy caramel, which looks like an absolute awesome color. It's kind of like in a nude family, but not so nude. So I can't wait to try that. Then she got me some HD blush from e.l.f. and it's in the color Superstar. I can't wait to try that. Then she got me some, what is this? Eyeshadow. It's a single eyeshadow in Cheeky. This is color so cute. Looks like a little bit of mauve-y, kind of mauve-y looking color. Then she got me a New York Color Intense Lip Color, and it is in Metropolitan Mauve. And she got me, which I laughed when I saw this, she got me the Softy Argan Oil Styling Gel. You all know why I laugh, right? The argan oil grease that I like from Softy. If you haven't checked out that video, check it out and you'll see why I love it. She got me Wet n Wild Pop nail polish in Tickled Pink. And she got me a Wet n Wild lipstick in Fuchsia with Blue Pearl. That is beautiful. A beautiful color. And the last item she got me are some socks. Cushy socks, because I love socks. And I can't wait to wear these because it is cold now here in Indianapolis, and this is going to be so great to keep my feet warm. Thank you so much, Big Lizzie. I appreciate all the gifts that you gave me. I love them. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. And thank you all for watching.